Welcome to Vlorish. We are so excited to show you how you can get the most out of this amazing app. The budget page is the heart and soul of Vlorish. It's likely where you'll spend the majority of your time. Here, you can manage your personal and business budgets. If you have multiple businesses, indicated by this summation symbol, you can select the specific one you'd like to work on by clicking on it from the list. You'll see a breakdown of your different businesses, and you can focus on budgeting for a specific month or year. If you need to switch back to view all your businesses, simply click at the top. Approximately 91% of our users have one business, but about 9% have two or more. At Vlorish, we employ what we call three-way budgeting: the planned budget, the actual budget, data retrieved from banks, and the difference between them, which helps you track your financial progress. Let me provide a quick example. In the plan column, you input your anticipated earnings. For instance, you expect $400 in owner draws and $220 in income, along with $600 in rental income for the month. The actual column reflects the data we fetch from your banks. The difference column allows you to monitor how closely your actual finances align with your planned budget. If a figure is in green, it indicates you're on track, while red highlights areas where you might be exceeding your budget. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. Goodbye.